I'm leaving Reno. I'm trying to. Leaving Planet Fitness. Just got done working out. Took a shower at Planet Fitness. Backyard off-grid right there. Let's go. In the snow. Let's go. Am I gonna be snowed in? Because it looks pretty bad supposedly in Tahoe, so we'll see if the Tesla will make it. Piggy bank, let's go. I made it to South Lake Tahoe, y'all. Let's go. Let's go. I'm in South Lake Tahoe at the Safeway. Let's go.